Good morning everyone. Today is Thursday. So Thursday is garbage collection day. So let's continue to save our planet. So let's segregate the garbages and make sure that uh, all of it is collected and to keep our environment and also our neighborhood clean. So take care everyone. Enjoy the video. This is just an example of how it's done and how it's done effectively. Hopefully, sa Pilipinas magawa natin to. Sana matigil na yung corruption, pangungurakot, bilyong-bilyong pera na pupunta sa wala. So, I pray for our country, Philippines, na sana magamit talaga sa tamang institusyon yung mga pera na binabayad ng mga tao as taxes. Let's save our planet, let's love our country, and God bless everyone.